Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna flip this account as much as I can, and I already missed my first trade. Look at this. This is a third touch breakout. I was looking for this to happen. First touch, second touch, lower low compared to previous low, and then third touch broke it, and I could take this trade, and I missed it. That's fine. I'll go and keep looking for another opportunity. Today's market looks very nice, honestly. That's why I'm gonna have my session right now, even though I usually trade at mornings. All right. Let me see. Yeah, so we have a decision point right here. This is a resistance area. See that? And then it broke in right here. We have a demand, which is causing the breakout. I will mark the demand for you. Boom. This is the demand area. And if the price comes down to this zone, I will go ahead and I will take the trade. There we go. We have lower time frame entry as well. This is the lower time frame entry. If it comes down, I will take the trade. There we go. Okay. We have a little gap up right here. It's kind of obvious that it could give us this red one, but since this is uptrend, I don't want to go against it. Previously, we have been in a ranging market in this range, and then market eventually broken, okay, this range, and created this resistance and also broke it. So this decision point right here is a good one. Let me just take this freaking gap up trade. I'm risking my whole balance on this one. Again, this is a risky way of trading. I'm trying to emphasize this on every single video. Yeah, this is a risky way of trading because if this trade is a losing trade, you will need to deposit again. And for most people, what they have in their account is probably, you know, all they can invest, and they will not be able to redeposit. So it will be out of trading. Okay, do not ever try to put everything in your account in a single trade, because that's risky. The safest possible you know, way of trading is just putting 3% or 2%, in the safest way 1% of your account in a single trade, and that way you can handle losses much more much better. It's about to close now. It was a winning trade. These gap ups are all in the favor of sellers. Okay, now the price is coming to my entry. I want to risk it on this entry again, but this time I'm just putting 1,000 again. So if I, oh my god, it's already reacting from the demand zone, man. Okay, let's just move forward. We have a supply area which is not pretty strong. I'm gonna just move on. Okay, the whole point of trading is just looking for the best possible trades. I have some students that they take like 2 hours to take only 4 or 5 trades. They keep sharing their results in the Telegram channel. You can just join and see. Okay, this is a common point of rejection. So when we have a ranging market full of rejections like this, if we draw a line, and the line is a common line between the most rejections we can get, it will make this safe to take the 5th or 6th or 7th touch. Okay, for example, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. If it comes to this line, I will take it. All right, it's called common point of rejection. I'm gonna take it. Come on. Come on. No. It's not. Okay. Shit. I took it. Yeah. I'm not taking full amount, because you have to remember that taking full amount only on trades with so many confluences. Okay. So I have only common point of rejection here. There's no other reason that I can really rely. So this is basically based on only common point of rejection. If there was any other reason to combine, I would take the whole thing. Okay, that was a losing trade. See, that's why I didn't take all. If I was taking the all, I would lose everything on the account, right? Okay, and that was also my fault to take this trade. You'll see I entered right here, right? without even touching the line, without it even touching the line. So I made a mistake. If I was weighted, I would take it right here and it would either close right here or maybe close on the next candle. Anyways, we're just gonna move on. All right, we have a QM right here. If I'm fast enough, no, we don't have higher time frame engulf. See, we have this QM, okay, QM zone, and it may work, but since I don't have higher time frame confirmation, you see, we don't see any engulfing pattern here. That's why I'll just ignore this one. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. This is a long wick market. I took it because of the movements I saw, honestly. And also the little bit of gap down here. I'm expecting buyers to enter. If you have a level and you have hammer candle closing on it like this, you can go for the next candle if you have confirmation like gap down and stuff. The only bad thing about this particular trade is that we have a little bit of space right here, but this gap down is on the round number. That's why I trusted this. Otherwise, if we didn't have these shadows on the previous candles, and if there was solid candles, I wouldn't take this, because this is a ranging market, weird shadows, so many bars in the market. That's why I trusted this. If there wasn't these shadows and this wasn't a ranging market like this, I wouldn't trust that buying trade, right? So let me go for the next trade. This is another QM. Let me just check the hard time frame. Yes, we have engulf on this one. I hope we didn't already touch the entry. The entry's down here. I'm gonna take this one. Let's go. Where are you going? This is the entry for me. Okay, I'm expecting a rejection from this zone. There we go. I have a separate video only talking about QM. It's a long video. You can go ahead and watch it in the channel page. In the channel page, there's a section. It's called popular, okay? Latest, popular, and other other stuff. You can choose the popular and it will pop up if you want to watch it. Okay, because if I want to put this up here, nobody's gonna watch it, so why would I do that? So just go to the channel page if you're interested to watch the QM video. It's free. You can watch it there. The huge gap down here. Huge gap down. Ranging market. That's huge gap down, man, but I wish I took this trade, man. Okay, I enter right here. Let's gamble this. All right. Nice. I will just go forward. Look at this. It's breaking the overlapping level. Okay. It's breaking the overlapping level. It's a red-green pattern in a proper ranging market. Red-green pattern has a proper range. We cannot trust red-green pattern on every ranging market. Okay. That's another reason. Huge gap down. That's another confirmation. Look, first touch. Oh, it's not. If we consider it from here, and if we consider this as a higher high, it's not a higher high, but anyways, first touch, second touch, gap down, breaking the third touch. Let's say we have a half a reason for third touch breakout as well. And yes, this is a very nice ranging market. All right. I was just gonna go forward. Let's go. Yeah. So it's getting riskier and riskier. My stress level is going a bit high, honestly. I hope I can find another good trade. This is a third touch breakout, but I kind of don't trust this because it's late retest, you know, first touch, second touch. It has played around for a long time, and then third touch is breaking it. It's also a very strong minor downtrend. Who would go against this? I don't know. I'm not going to against this. Maybe I want to go. Hold on. Maybe I want to go a small trade on this one. Okay. Yes, we have gap down. I took it small because that's super risky. I mean, look at this. On past like 20 or 30 candles, we only see 3 green candles. The probability of having this one as a green one is so low. That's why I took it very small. So if that's a losing trade, it's not going to affect us that much. But we have another decision point down here, which most likely can reject. But still, since we have a strong trend coming to this, I would not trust this one either. Okay, let me just look for other opportunities. Oh, we had some beautiful opportunities here that I missed. This one, beautiful common point of rejection. Like, I was wasting my time on this terrible trade while we had some good ones here. Okay. Look at this huge gap up, but it's against the trend and we don't have other setups. That's why I'm not trusting this. There we go. It would be a losing trade. Look at this, still dropping. We have a common point of rejection here. Also here. See? We have 2 good opportunities on this pair. We have gap up. That's why I'm not trusting this one to go with the buyers. Oh, I don't see any opportunity, guys. I don't see any opportunity. We have a market sequence here. We have this supply. No, we don't have any market sequence now. We have a QM right here. Let's check the confirmation for this. It's so ugly. No, we don't have confirmation for this one. My God. Can't believe. Okay, we have an orange block down here. I don't trust it. A doji. Okay. This is also a swing doji. I don't trust this. I don't trust it. No. Oh, we missed this one. It was a good one, man. No. We missed this opportunity, guys. My God. Okay, it's coming to my zone. Finally. Come on. Come on, boy. Oh my God. Again, I entered without touching it. I entered without it touching it, man. Imagine if I lose this trade. I'll fucking... Alright, finally. This is the common point of rejection that I marked earlier. And it was a winning trade. I'm definitely stopping here. Yeah, we have, you know, the good thing is our losing trade is small. I'm gonna go and, you know, take this off. And again, I will go with 1,000. It's kind of fun to do this, honestly. I didn't personally like this way of trading, but it's kind of fun. Okay. It was very hard to find the last trade, man. By the way, guys, again, you can still join the... What? Wait. Alright, I probably have to try it again a few minutes later. I'm just gonna finish the video right here. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to join the free competition. It's literally free. And you can join with, you know, there's so many prizes for top 15. Thank you for watching and peace out.